Solving Exponential Equations Using Logarithms Base 10 and by Ronald Tran. Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to solve exponential equations using logarithms base 10. Here we have the equation 10 to the power of 5t minus 4 equals 9, and we need to solve the equation for t and express our answers in terms of base 10 logarithm. First of all, we have the equation 10 to the power of 5t minus 4 equals 9 over here. And we want to write this in logarithmic form so we can solve for the exponent. So the logarithmic form would be 5t minus 4 equals log base 10 to 9, which means the 10 to the power of 5t minus 4 is equal to 9, and these equations are both equal, but this makes it easier to solve for t over here, which we want to solve for. And how we solve for it is we isolate the values to solve for t plus 4, then 5t equals log 10, 9 plus 4. Then we would divide both sides to get the t by itself. And t would be equal to log base 10, 9 plus 4 divided by 5. And that would be the answer. And that's how you solve exponential equations using logarithms.